Okay.
This
That
is
beef
why
looks
we
burnt
save
though.
the sauce. Now,
Okay.
to save money,
Yeah.
I multitask
Yeah, what
with
do you have?
washing dishes and cooking meals with my
What?
dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well,
Cooking
or else
dishes?
the food will get wet.
With the
Dishwasher.
dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees,
No
the
way,
lasagna
no
will
way,
be
wait,
fully
wait.
cooked in 1.5 hours.
Jesus.
Without using the additional gas of an oven.
Dishwasher
Like
to
for
make
just a
lasagna.
short
Get the fuck out of here,
The
man.
lasagna's in the
How is that
dishwasher.
gonna even work?
It's cooking. Fish.
With all that water
hot
splashing.
dogs,
You're gonna eat water
lasagna.
lasagna.
I'm telling you.
Water
I do it all the
lasagna. That's what
time.
you're gonna eat, bro.
Hey, girl.